AC voltage measurement using transformer. DCMA measurement display. DC current measurement. The current must be connected in series and cannot be directly measured. HFC transistor measurement to ensure that the transistor is PNP or NPN. Diode measurement. Positive and negative poles need to be aligned. Buzzer to detect whether the line is on or off. Resistance measurement. Both sides can be measured. DC voltage measurement, DC regulated power supply and battery measurement display. Precision comparison. Compared with the multimeter, the value is very accurate. Data retention. Can keep the current value for easy recording. With backlit screen, the value can be clearly seen in the dark.